Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change T-Mobile home internet password. To do that, simply open your app and log in with your username and password. The default username is admin and the password is written on the backside of the device, so you can check and log in. After that, simply click on network as here is shown in this picture. After that, choose your network, which is your network, and on next, here you will see your Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. So be careful when you change your Wi-Fi name or password. All the devices connected to this Wi-Fi will be disconnected. So you have to make sure that you save your password very carefully. So if you want to change your password, you can do it from here, or if you want to see your current password, simply click on this eye icon and you will see your password. So after changing your password or your Wi-Fi name, simply click on save as shown here. After that, a pop-up will appear. Simply click on OK, and after that simply go back, and this is how you will change your T-Mobile home password.